Introducing the TCX-35 timestamp, the ultimate time and date stamp solution, proudly made in the USA. Now available as a complete starter kit bundle, including a professional 10-employee card rack and 100 bi-weekly time cards. Everything you need for immediate setup and operation. The illuminated print window allows for easy card alignment, ensuring a smooth stamping process. The ribbon capacity indicator alerts you when it's time to replace the cartridge ribbon, while the features of the TCX-35, such as automatic daylight savings time adjustment and precise quartz accuracy, ensure reliable timekeeping for your business. You can choose between automatic or manual print modes, depending on your preference. The TCX-35 prints time in regular or military format, displaying AM or PM, hours, minutes, and even tenths or hundredths. With a large, easy-to-read digital display and a 3-year battery backup, the TCX-35 adapts to your workspace, whether table or wall-mounted. Upgrade your timekeeping system with the TCX-35 timestamp for unmatched efficiency, accuracy, and reliability.